Mercedes ones.
Could I go with Pista or oh no, I cannot race this R7. Choke so hard.
Yeah, come on.
Someone count, please.
Come on, man, how the fuck is this Lamborghini so fucking fast with 600 horsepower? I have
What the fuck?
less weight and more power, and I can't catch up. This is insane.
Isn't it tuned? Or is it 600?
Yes, I mean, it is 600 on paper.
Yeah.
It says 600 in the game.
Ah, okay, yeah. That's weird.
Jag kan ge dig 5 sek.
Does that M3 have launch control?
I don't think so. Not from standard.
It sounds like launch control. It's like stuck at 1 RPM.
There might be a burnout. Launch control.
You go, I count to 5, then I go.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, I thought you were the guys. Oh, whatever. I was.
Should I wait? Should I go and then you start? Like give me 3 seconds or whatever.
I go in 5 seconds.
Yeah. I go.
That was way too many seconds. What is it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree.
I really like that. But my brain fucked up, so I counted like 5, 4, then somehow
Oh, fuck.
I counted 3, 4, 5. I don't know how the fuck I counted.
I went through the map there.
Okay, let's switch to something
Somebody.
better.
What's GM3?
Oh, I wanna race M3.
Same.
He had the launch on me, but then we were like equal. Kinda awkward if the M3 wins over the G82.
Fuck. I accidentally went on
Gustav, is that the stage 2 or the stock one?
No, start. Lambo went a little bit.
3.
I don't know what happened to my brain there.
Should I face you? My launch was fucking perfect.
We should do a rolling race.
Yeah. That was the best launch I've had.
Nice.
I'm gonna get up my driver's performance so I can see water mine and stuff. That'd be nice.
Holy fuck. I just smoked the GT2 RS.
The RX-7 is fucking insane.
Yes, especially with the launch. You have launch.
Yeah. It has to have a tune, right? Can't be stopped.
Yeah, stage 1.
Yeah. So like 680, 700 horsepower.
Yeah, 7. I think 750 to the wheels.
Damn.
Okay, how do you want to do a rolling race, Hugo?
I mean, up to you. 50.
Yeah, but like,
Then someone is counting.
yeah. Okay, just stay here. Wait till Nicholas has driven.
You want me to continue or what? Or can someone count us in?
Yeah,
The M3 and the
I'll
MG.
do it. Okay, we just have to find some.
Wow, this AMG is really bad. What the fuck? I just lost the fucking.
Let me just boost to this GT2 real quick.
Okay, good. So let's go off these two in front.
Yeah. Okay, Nicholas, can you be ready to count?
I'm on the server right now. I'm switching cars.
Oh, sorry.
Anton, can you count in chat?
Yeah, can try.
And then on 1 we go. Okay.
Okay. Alright, so let's start rolling now.
Yeah.
50.
And 50.
Okay.
Oh fuck! Oh! Mine spun so hard. What the fuck?
We're doing roller.
Yeah.
That wasn't my best traction. That was bad. Challenge, just go in the middle of the road.
What is Y? There's an option called Y adjustment on the M5. Do you know what that is?
Y adjustment?
Yeah, off _ Y1 _ Y2. What the fuck? I don't
Where?
know. On the M5 F90.
But like, why can we...
HUD Y. HUDY.
Someone
Probably
account.
nothing. Yeah, I can.
I think I'm gonna change car.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Should
okay.
I count you in?
Yeah. I horn. Oh fuck.
You have dirt on your tires.
I'm gonna change car as well. I've been wearing this for so long now.
Yeah, you have.
Let's see. What cars are available?
Can someone count it?
Yeah, 1 sec. Need to stop first. Okay, ready?
Should I go with Pista or Huracan?
Pista doesn't have so much grip, I think.
Yeah.
You can launch the Pista pretty hard on if you use traction level 2.
I'm gonna try the Pista.
The GT Black Series is so overpowered with traction control. It launches so good.
Yeah. Base
Let's
can't.
try it.
Already taken. By the one and only. Wait, what? 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 Assetto Corsa launch, like the Assetto Corsa launcher, what? What?
Literally 2 FPS in this mode.
Bear